Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course we know that ARM-based processors are getting more and more popular. Latest figures seem to show that by the end of 2025, 1 out of 3 computers sold was an ARM-based PC, and it was capable of AI. Now, this is going to probably heat up the competition here because this year, until now, the only processors available basically were the ARM processors, the Snapdragon X Elite, and that series of processors. And we wondered when anybody else would enter the ARM race. Well, we know that AMD has started with some new chips that are coming out that will also be ARM-based and have NPUs and be, Copilot+PC ready. Now, Nvidia is going to release this year the N1X. The N1X is an ARM CPU that will be available with all that you need, a system on the chip with NPU for Copilot+PCs and AI. Plus, it will integrate powerful graphics capabilities. So, is this finally the year of the ARM Windows PC? And if I was Intel, I would be scared at this point. If you think that 1 out of 3 PCs already is sold with something else than an x64 chip or CPU that Intel creates, and let's push this to the end of this year. Let's say that by the end of this year, more than half of the PCs sold are going to be ARM. If that would happen, that is a disaster for Intel that is struggling to catch up to the race. So the Nvidia N1X apparently coming, and this is going to be a very interesting battle, especially since we never really had a fight on x64 that had several different PCs. The CPUs and companies making them. The fight for the past 25 years has been what? AMD and Intel. And it stayed like that pretty much all the time. There used to be Cyrix that had some CPUs, and now they're kind of gone. But on the ARM side, seeing that Nvidia, AMD, and of course the Snapdragon processors, it's kind of interesting to see what's going to happen there, for sure. So, Intel, are you watching? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.